Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber or a new subscriber, my name is Ashley. Thank you so much for being here today. This is my Undecorate and Clean With Me Christmas Part 2 video. I did film a Part 1. If that's something that you have not seen or you're interested in, I will be sure to include the link down below in the description box. But with that being said, let's just get on into the video. If I haven't said so already, I just wanted to kind of kick off the video by saying thank you so much for being here today and for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me to have you here. I would love if you could leave a comment down below how you came across my channel, if cleaning and undecorating or decluttering videos is something that you're interested in. I personally have been a viewer or a YouTube viewer for many years now. I'm 27 and I started one of the first YouTubers I started watching, her name, I'm drawing a blank. Oh no, it's pregnancy brain. Her name is Megan, and I can't remember her last name, but she's from Texas, and she did makeup videos and like tutorials, but I started watching her probably in like the 7th grade. So I've always been a big YouTube person, and then within recent years, I've really come to like any kind of like homemaking, cleaning videos, and that's just like in my personality. I love to clean. I love to organize. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for being here, and definitely leave a comment down below how you came across this channel and what videos you like to view on YouTube. So just getting back into the video here, as you can see, I'm using my Thieves cleaner. I had already dusted down the TV, and wow, my pregnancy brain is really bad right now. The TV and the TV stand. So typically what I'll do is I'll always dust from the top down, and then I will use whatever kind of cleaner I have and just work my way from top to bottom. I think it's the best strategy. Here, some of the camera angles might be a little bit tough just because I was holding it with my left hand, but I just wanted to show you guys that I did clean inside of these little doors in our TV stand. And I just kind of did a quick clean because a couple weeks ago, or not too long ago, I had already done a clean. So it was really just kind of maintaining what I had already done. So right now, as you can see, I'm just wiping down our television. I actually ended up using Windex for this. I just find that it doesn't leave any streaks, and I normally just go from left to right and take my time, just kind of spraying like in different sections. So you can see that here. And what I'm actually going to do is just take a little bit of a break from chatting, just because I feel like I've been talking a lot at the beginning, and I know I get a little chatty here at the end. So I just want to include some music if you are also looking to, clean your space, or whether you're undecorating for Christmas or you're just trying to clean up your living room and parts of your house as well.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated
So I just wanted to chime in here because as you can see over to the right hand side, I have my little sidekick. Her name is Princess. She's 6 years old. We did rescue her 4 years ago. She is honestly my world. Same with my husband. We love her so much. She has such an amazing personality. She is a Maltese Yorkie mix, or so we think. That's kind of what we just go with. So we do call her a Morkie, but yeah, she's just so sweet. Just watching Mama always.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I normally would like to incorporate some more of me talking instead of just a voiceover in my videos, but I can't even talk. But my husband was actually working on painting our pantry, and obviously I love my husband, but I just feel weird like recording and talking to myself who's in the shower right now. So I just wanted to insert a clip of just me saying like, hello and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I might have mentioned this when I do, or I might mention it when I do my voiceover, but I am 31 weeks pregnant as of tomorrow with our first baby. So it's December 26th right now, and I was ready to get the Christmas decor out really early this year, and I was ready to just take it down. We didn't have a ton of Christmas decor. There was some like sprinkled throughout the house that I kind of just like pulled into the living room, but my main goal was to really, you know, get everything out of the living room and clean the living room as well. I did include some clips, you know, like cleaning the TV and our TV stand as well as this coffee table. I actually, the other weekend, just cleaned these like thoroughly, like took out the baskets, dusted everything, wiped it down, so it was kind of more of a quick clean. And plus I don't have a tripod or anything, so I feel like some of the camera angles weren't the best, but we'll get better at that. Also, I love how, that's my dog Princess. She's just so cute and snuggle right now. But yeah, this room is complete. I do have more like regular decor that I have in our guest room closet that normally goes out here. I did not get to that tonight, and honestly, with the baby coming, my due date is end of February, so with the baby coming, I really just like less is more. I still need my husband's help to take down the tree, and then we're gonna put it in that box, and then the tree skirt, but he helped me bring, by help me, I mean he brought everything down, all those boxes for me, which was awesome, and I was able to just kind of focus on cleaning in here. The tree's down, it's gonna look really empty in here, but my plan is to actually put a pack and play in that corner once we receive it. I know if you are registered on baby list, you can see like if your friends and family purchase something for you. So a good friend of ours, my mom's like best friend from high school, actually purchased a pack and play for us, so I'm really excited. I just want to get that set up, you know, in the next couple weeks, so I don't want to put anything else over there. Normally we have like a chair and like other stuff. I'm gonna leave it like that. But I'm really happy with the progress that we made. If you guys are pregnant or have been pregnant, you know, like when I was vacuuming, you probably couldn't see it, but like, oh my gosh, I'm like so out of breath. And I had HG in the beginning of my pregnancy, so I feel like that just like kind of like sucked a lot of energy out of me. I lost 22 pounds and was like, could not get out of bed for over a month. So if anybody has ever experienced HG in your pregnancy, then you know my heart goes out to any moms that have had it their entire pregnancy. I would say by like 20 weeks is when I like started to feel like more like normal symptoms. But yeah, pregnancy is a wild ride.
but I'm just so excited to meet our little baby, and I feel like there's just so much that I've been doing and I want to do around the house. So if you guys are interested, like organizing, decluttering, you know, deep cleaning. I love to deep clean. It's like one of my favorite things. That's why I felt I just wanted to explain to you guys, like, I already kind of deep cleaned this furniture, but it's just I'm gonna keep going until baby comes. So, all right, this is already very chatty. I don't even think I can have it this long because I'm not like one of those, excuse me, like YouTubers where you can have like long videos. You have to like work your way up, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. And yeah, I think I'm gonna order some Chinese food. I've been craving it, and I cannot wait to eat it. And then I've been watching Bridgerton all day in the background. I've already seen it. Actually, now I'm watching some YouTube videos, so that's how I'm gonna end my night. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If there's anything that you would like to see in future videos, let me know. Like I said, I have some certain projects that I want to work on, and I have like a whole nesting list of things that I want to do around the house. So I'll just start kind of recording those videos and getting them up here for you guys. But I hope that you all had a wonderful holiday and you guys are excited for the new year, and I will leave you with that, and I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Thanks so much.